Frank's Fine Foods.
Alright, welcome back to another great video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make chocolate covered strawberries at your own home. So first of all, we have this baking chocolate. You can use pretty much any type of chocolate. What's nice about this, you get the 8 big squares. So you get 8 pieces like that. As you can see, we have 2 of them in there, 2 more here, and I already did another batch. So the 8 of them would make up for the whole bar. It's about $3 at the grocery store. Lots of chocolate, more than enough to do a whole container. I wash the strawberries and then I dry them off. Make sure that you dry them off before you dip them in the chocolate, otherwise the water will get in the chocolate will become hard and you'll run into a problem. So the idea is to get the Pyrex, put it in the pot, boil it at low to medium heat, and make sure you stir the chocolate. Once the chocolate's melted, then you can dip the strawberries one by one. Alright, so I'll show you the end of the video, but this is pretty much it. Well, there we have it. I cut the tops off so then I could just put a fork in the top, put them in there, and kind of build the chocolate up like that and wrap it around, and then just put it off on the side. So I'll put these in the fridge. You can leave them in the fridge overnight and then put them back in the container, and there you have it, chocolate covered strawberries. Make sure you click the like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on if you want to see more great cooking videos. Be sure to follow the channel. Alright, peace out.
Hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the like button. Thank you.